Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can find the current trending songs on Instagram so you can use some of them, you can sort through them, and you can essentially plan your future content based on the songs that are currently trending. Let's launch the Instagram app and let me show you where you're going to find all of them. In our example over here, first of all, we are going to create a small draft post by simply clicking on the lower center of the screen. We're going to pick a piece of content we want to upload. In our example, this is going to be. Then we're going to click next. Remember guys, this is a draft post, okay? So we're going to scroll to the bottom of the page and we're going to click add music. Remember, every time when you click add music, you will have the first option over here, which is everything that is currently popular, everything that is currently trending. All these songs are currently trending. As you can see, they're just 20 songs approximately, okay? Versus if you scroll on the side, you have the browse function, and here you have hundreds of thousands inside each of these folders that is broken down. So this is your goal number one, that you can come over here and simply find the current trending songs. The second step you could also do essentially is to go back, right? Come over here, click on the magnifying glass on the lower left, okay? Go on your original discovery page, and here you can essentially scroll through the actual popping up, right? Remember, all this, what is popping up is in some way, in some sense, related to your following people, related to your audience, to your content that you already subscribed to. But if I click on for example, if I click on something like this, for example, as you can look at over here, right, we can extract the sounds from the actual videos, from the actual reels. And remember, this is not guaranteed. I'm telling you that the more guaranteed function will essentially be simply go to the list that is sorted and filtered by Instagram, because the information will be the same. Remember, the list of trending songs is built by Instagram simply by a number of people who are using the same songs and the number of views they're getting or the engagement they're getting using the song. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.